Welcome back to the next episode of Liquid Options. My name is Eric, and today I want to talk about this upside or potential upside air pocket that the market is starting to enter. And I want to kind of go back all the way to October of last year, where we had this big down move. And this big down move has it was kind of one giant day. I mean, we also ultimately went down another day, but we are now starting to break back into this area. And that area on the SPY is a little bit over 280. Let's call it 281. And that's been a pretty strong resistance level. And we are now starting to cross over that. And if the market continues up, I think that it's going to be able to quickly run back up to the top of this candle. And that level is, we're going to call it 287. It's about 2870, 2875 or so on the SPX. But it's 287 here. And the reason why that is because there wasn't a lot of congestion here. There were no buyers here. And the market just fell through, and the short sellers came back in apparently around this level. So as the market moves up, since there's no congestion, and you know, we like to call these zones here, there's a lot of congestion and it has a hard time getting through. Well, there's no congestion here, so there's a decent chance that if we stay positive on the day, and right now I'm doing this video, we got a couple hours, we're up 0.7% or so on the SPY. There's a pretty good chance that we can kind of continue up in the next week. Doesn't mean we'll go straight up, but we could get, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, you know, one of these kind of up and down, but just kind of slow grinds higher. I think that's going to be where potentially we get some more sellers. It's probably going to be closer to 290 or maybe 2,900 on the S&P. And I want to talk a little bit about how you can trade this upside move. I personally don't like to chase. I like to wait for a little bit of a dip. Over on Patreon, we've been trading based off the 50-day moving average, but we're also been trading off the MOBO Bands here. And I'm going to put in a link in the description to if you want more detail about this strategy. Basically, when you do get a pullback and you get a cross back above, this can be a good time to sell a short-term put credit spread because it shows that the momentum is continuing to the upside. So that's something I'm going to be looking at over the next week or two. Whenever the market does pull back, I'm actually going to be out for a few days, so I won't be trading this. I'm not in this one right now, but we did have some members talk about this trade where they were taking this trade, and that trade's going to work out really well for them because once the market breaks back above those bands, there's a good chance that it stays above those bands over the next couple of days, and we're kind of seeing that today. So that's all I got for this short market update. Again, if you want to learn more about that strategy, check the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the next video.